Ergotech is pleased to present the ErgoLift Industrial Manipulator. The ErgoLift is a hydraulically powered mechanical lifting arm used in a variety of different installations and applications. This demonstration you're about to see is in an investment casting company. You can see that the operator controls the machine manually. The operator is filling a ladle with molten metal, transferring it over to a mold where he pours the contents into the mold. The temperatures he is dealing with is approximately 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. You can see that he just poured one mold and now he's pouring a sample for test purposes. Then he returns back to the melt furnace to refill the ladle. And repeat the process. The vertical motion on the ErgoLift is hydraulically powered, controlled through a steplessly regulated control handle. The operator can vary the speed from 0 to maximum purely by turning this handle. The farther he turns the handle, the faster it will go. The horizontal motion is all manual. The ErgoLift is on bearings and rollers so that it's very easy to push and pull in the horizontal direction. This installation is on an overhead trolley. You can't see it in this portion of the video, you'll see it later, but it's an electrically powered trolley that the operator can move up and down the runway purely by pushing a button. You just saw him push a button right there which moved the ErgoLift on the overhead trolley. Since the ErgoLift is hydraulically powered, it is very stable and able to withstand variations in weight and loads very easily. The operator need not make any adjustments to compensate for different weights. This operation had been done for many years by two people, two operators holding a bar that held a ladle in the center. And the ErgoLift has replaced one person in the pouring process. You just did see the way that they are loading the molds from the preheat oven into the sandbox as well. That's still being done manually at this point. The parts that they're pouring in this segment of the demonstration, they weigh approximately 50 pounds, so they fill the ladle with approximately 50 pounds of metal and pour one ladle for each mold. This customer has multiple melt furnaces and preheat ovens, and you can see here that he just passed the ErgoLift to another operator who's going to be pouring further down the line, as you will see. You can see in this section that it shows the overhead electrically powered trolley. This particular trolley is 50 feet per minute. It's available in different speeds, 80 feet per minute, even up to 120 feet per minute. You can see that the operator also just discarded the ladle. Now he's getting loaded with a new ladle that's been preheated. And he will be in the process of conducting his pour at the other end of the line. This ergolift has been in production in this application for approximately 1.5 years when this video was taken. You can see he's pouring slightly larger molds. The molds vary quite a bit in size, as it does in many investment casting companies. The ergolift is available in multiple sizes and weights, different weight capacities, all the way up to 1,500 pounds. It's also available in different reach radiuses, from approximately 6-foot radius up to approximately a 13 or 14-foot radius. This shot shows a close-up of the ladle. It's attached to what we might call a basket or a can. You can't see it very well, but it's attached to the tool of the ergolift. Those pieces can be easily changed. This also shows other ladles that they use for different molds and different size pours. The heaviest pour, I believe, is about 100 pounds that they perform. This concludes our demonstration of the ergolift. Thank you for the opportunity to present it to you.